gonna show you guys how to change some headlights on the 2009 Toyota XB Scion. Here we have some basic Savannah headlights. And these here are the low beam lights. So here, if you look, you got one headlight here, and you got one there. So this is the low, and this is the high beam light. And the one we're gonna be changing here today is back off in this hole back here. And as you can see, I done pulled one here. I got one pull, so we can change it out. What you guys gonna need is a flathead screwdriver, and it's got a little key down in here that it attaches to, and it's the old one. We're gonna change it with a new one. It's got a little slit on the back of it right here. It snaps directly into it once you put it in. You can hear that click. And then we'll install it back in. There we go. Take that screwdriver and stick it down in there. And hold it, pry the key back. And kind of wiggle it at the same time. There we go. And we're gonna put the new one in. Install it back in here. Bingo, there she goes. Got some new headlights. Now them are your dim headlights. And eventually we're gonna have to change the bright lights. But there you go. Yes, yes, yes.